This is cut out. Oh, everything fits in there perfect, as it should. That shit is flawless. Just gotta, yeah, that shit go, that joint go all the way in there. Alright. Damn. All the way in. Everything's flush. Oh, that joint's slow. As you can see, all the corners cut really on point. Everything was flawless, as it should. Just right here, I lost a little control of that, but the lip should cover that. And that's the whole purpose of this tape, is to hopefully protect some of it. So what that is, yeah, you still see a little bit of it, but there's nothing to wrong. So here, boom. Yeah, so that'll cover that little markup anyway. See nothing. So that joint is right how it should be. That joint is flawless. And hopefully everything lines up on this side. That's the most important part. So that's pretty much it. I installed a water inlet valve.